Oh, candy. Nice. It's crunchy, but it tastes like
Hey, did you see my fecal transplant? I was sure I left it there. Anyway, remember our episode about parasites that control their hosts? We mentioned how the bacteria that form humans' gut microbiome can affect their mood and food preferences. Well, they can do much more than that. Let's teleport in your colon.
Wait, how can I be in my own colon? Is there, like, an even smaller version of me in my colon right now?
I don't know, man. I think the animator is just a lazy writer. Oh, lazy and thin-skinned? That's not a great look, pal. Humans see themselves as a colony of trillions of human cells, but in truth, there are even more microbe cells inside you. You can have up to 5,000 different types of bacteria, as well as archaea, eukarya, parasites, viruses, and bacteriophages.
But aren't microbes making me sick?
That's such a speciest way of seeing things, man. There is no selective advantage in killing a host that keeps you warm and well-fed. Most microbes have evolved with you long enough to be neutral or beneficial. They even form a biofilm that protects you against the bad ones and regulate each other.
Wow, that means I'm like a complete ecosystem?
Absolutely, and everyone's microbiome is unique, shaped by genetics, diet, environment, medical treatments, and even breastfeeding. It's a big part of who you are, about 2 kilograms to be precise. Dude, you're embarrassing me in front of my friends.
I think that the microbiome is actually a way for us to cheat at evolution. To evolve, we need multiple generations, and for humans, it takes decades. For bacteria, it's a matter of minutes. And if a mutation is bad, it's not a big deal. The bacteria dies and is replaced immediately.
And bacteria are very good at exchanging genes. They can even pick up bits of DNA from dead cells and use them.
So, if our environment changes and we need to rely on a different source of food, we don't need to evolve. Our microbiome will adapt itself. We can literally eat bacteria to gain their powers.
Hey, nice to meet you. Can you tell us what you're doing here?
Well, hello there. My name is Bacteroides Dory III. I'm eating cholesterol and transforming it in coprostanol. This lowers the human's cholesterol level, which apparently is a good thing. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen are very similar to cholesterol. I have dear friends that recycle them, increasing the hormones levels in the blood, and that protects males' hosts against depression and females against the effects of menopause. Other colleagues are producing vitamins, such as vitamin K, B8, B9, and B12.
You sank my battleship!
I beg your pardon?
I mean, wow, that's pretty neat. Hey, could you release my little friend here?
Oh, that's your friend? I thought it was a lump of undigested fibers.
Yeah, that's a common mistake.
Here you are.
Thanks. I've seen that gut bacteria can have an effect on obesity too.
I'm not surprised. We can affect all sorts of hormones and neurotransmitters, including ocytocin, GABA, serotonin, and dopamine, either by producing them directly or influencing the host so that he releases more. There are even some of us that produce antidepressants similar to Valium.
Yes, even kidney stones are influenced by the microbiome. Some bacteria just eat the oxalate that forms stones, but others also signal the intestinal cells to produce more oxalate for them to eat, which can be a problem. And all that means that every time you take antibiotics, you risk losing all the advantages that your delicate ecosystem provides.
But you can always take probiotics pills, no?
Most probiotics pills contains only a dozen species of bacteria. And those new guys didn't evolve here. They're not adapted to your body and your diet.
Yeah, studies have shown that taking probiotic pills can actually prevent or slow the restoration of your microbiome. The ideal solution would be to freeze a stool sample when you are healthy and reimplant it when the treatment is done. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi are not a problem because most bacteria will die in the stomach and the nutrients they bring will benefit other species too.
Yes, bringing us food is a great way to help. Send us various fibers from whole grains, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Polyphenols from nuts, olive oil, and fish. Eat mushrooms and peppers and fermented foods.
Wait, did you just invent the Mediterranean diet?
That's probably the safest route too. The Mediterranean diet has been associated with all kinds of health advantages. There's literally no risk at using it to promote a healthy microbiome. But I have a question. How do babies acquire their gut microbiome? Can't we do the same thing?
Well, it's actually from the mother's milk. It transmits some of the mother's beneficial gut bacteria.
Oh, that makes sense. That means that milk donations are a great help for babies whose mothers can't breastfeed.
Yes, and if you pump breast milk for later use, treat it as a living thing. Don't overheat it in the microwave.
Man, your immune system spotted me. We need to go!
Well, I learned a lot. Thanks.
If you want to thank me, eat more fibers.